name is Rochelle Harding, and I am the program manager at Verde for the Shared and Home Garden programs. And I wanted to talk to you today about what we do with the Shared Garden program. So typically we have partnerships with families and adults where we install a garden bed and provide soil and compost and plants for 2 planting seasons and instruction, monthly workshops for a whole year. And with the Shared Garden program, what we do is we actually connect with schools. And so we are providing opportunities for children to learn about gardening in the classroom, and their teachers will teach them a gardening lesson. They have access to garden beds at the school, and they will be able to care for the plants, learn about how they grow, learn about where their food comes from, and then be able to taste the food that they grow and kind of get excited about growing healthy food. And in addition, we connect with the parents of these children at the school, and we help them set up home gardens that are organic, vegetable gardens, where they can learn to grow healthy produce for their families. And so we combine the component of the children learning at school with the families also learning and growing food at home. And so in this way we increase our impact by addressing both the needs of the child and the parents, and hopefully having exponential health impacts and increased access, food access to healthy vegetables, healthy foods, and fresh organic produce. So that's a little bit about what we do. And here we have 2 seedlings, jalapenos, and this is an example of something that we might provide to our families. So, thanks.
Hello, my name is Christina Tran, and I'm a toddler teacher, associate toddler teacher in Madron 1. So our children, we have about 6 right now. They love coming to this garden. The reason why is because there's so much exploring here that they, a lot of hands-on the flowers that they can smell. And when they're going down the path, they're able to identify different shapes of the leaves, different colors. One of the student, his name is Axel. He loves one of the pink flowers, so it's like a memory for him. He'll come and play, and then right away he'll remember, like, oh, I gotta go back to this pink flower. I gotta go back to touch it, then down smell it. So I've documented that. The other things that the children love doing is like traveling down the path. They're discovering like strawberries, and they love like identifying which one is ripe. So they have the opportunity to pick the strawberries, and then I wash it right away because there's a sink right there. So it's just like all hands on. They get to taste it, and they'll ask them like, what does it taste like? Do you like it? And then we'll sing a song like, do you love strawberries? And they're like thumbs up. They go, yes I do, yes I do. And then there's more bushes that we were able to identify too. It's like another fruit was like the blueberry. And then they spotted it, and they were like, we want some blueberries. So we were able to like have them pluck it, wash it again, and taste it. So it's like the favorite thing in there. And also the unique thing in there is there's this little pit in there that has like sand. So all 6 of them are sitting in there with spoons, like plastic spoons and a little cup, and they're like playing, and engaging with each other, pretending, building. So it's like so many varieties in there. Like after that, when we come out here too, by the way, we water the plants. There's buckets in here that we discovered. I'll put water inside. Yesterday they did exactly that. So they help the teachers because some of these boxes here belong to the FRC teachers, so they plant a different kind of plants or vegetables or fruits in there, and the children were able to water it. So that's something that they give back to the community by supporting the teachers. Like we want to help take care of the plants.